Hello, how you doing? This is another companion video to a lab simulation. If you happen to not be able to turn it on, one of your fellow classmates gave me a little hint. If you're not able to turn on, something about enabling the flash component on your computer. Enable flash something. I don't know where to do that. It's not my expertise, but somebody gave me that idea. And if it works for you, cool. Then you don't have to listen to me doing this lab activity. All right, so let's begin. Step number 1, click on the box that says Show Luminosity Classes. Boom. There they are. Your supergiants, your dwarfs, your white dwarfs, and your red dwarfs, and so on. Okay, cool. Now, move the luminosity slider over here to the left. Keep moving until this X is in the white dwarf section. So I'm going to move it down here until it goes into the white dwarf section, straight down. Okay, cool. Okay, so there you go. You can look at the question and answer the question accordingly. All right, now we're going to go to the right until it ends up in the blue section. There we go. And now you can answer the question accordingly. All right. So, next section, main sequence stars. And click the reset in the upper corner here. It says reset. Boom. Bye-bye. Okay. Now, I'm going to show luminosity classes. Again, luminosity. Oh, and by the way, luminosity, lumens, it's a measurement of light. If you're familiar with Beauty and the Beast, the candelabra was named Lumiere. Lumiere relates to light. So just a little side conversation. We talk a lot of Disney in our house. So now it says click green sections labeled dwarfs in the main sequence. And at that time, they're fusing hydrogen and helium. Slide the X in the green. So you can actually grab this X if you're using it. If not, you can watch. And I'm going to slide it up here as I go along. So what happens in luminosity? What happens to the temperature? And what happens to the size of the star as you go up? And I move to the left in the main sequence. Again, main sequence is its hydrogen fusing phase. It's prime of life, shall we say. All right. Now I'm going to go the opposite. Drag it down. Watch what happens to the star. Look at its graphical relationships. Describe. Boom. Okay. All right, now I'm going to go back up and do it again. Take a look at one other variable that we haven't talked about yet. Starting up here and going down here. All right, so that should give you the ammunition needed to answer questions 1 to 5 on part 2. All right, now the last part is moving things around here. So I'm going to click reset again. Going to put the luminosity classes up. Now, I'm going to start here in our main sequence with our average star, which is our sun. I'm going to go up to the giant phase and put it right in the middle. And you'll see over on this side over here, it'll say your temperature. It'll say your luminosity. But we're going to do relative luminosity with regards to the chart here. Okay. The actual luminosity is written here, so we'll do both. And then the color. The colors from the picture here. Okay. So we go from the middle of the giants to the middle of the white dwarfs. Okay. Now, the remainder of this lab activity is using page 15 in the reference table, and that is a similar diagram to the one you see here, but it uses the reference table chart and more specifics. It gives some specific names of specific stars, and you're going to compare them. So, with regards to the simulator, that's all you need. Hope it helped, and good luck.